Say kids, our subject for today is science, and today I will discuss to you about female reproductive system. I am teacher Lani. Female reproductive system is made up of several organs which include the ovaries, fallopian tubes, uterus, and vagina. It is specifically responsible for producing egg cells and supporting a developing baby inside a mother's womb. Egg cell. The egg cell is only 1/10 of a millimeter, about the size of the diameter of a hair strand. It is the biggest cell in the female human body. Parts of the female reproductive system: fallopian tube, uterus, ovary, cervix, and birth canal or vagina. Ovary. The ovary produces egg cells as well as the female sex hormones estrogen and progesterone. Female humans have 2 ovaries. About 70,000 potential egg cells are already present in the ovaries of a female when she is born. However, only about 500 of these eggs will mature. The mature eggs are released one by one every month once the female reaches puberty and until she is about 43 to 55 years old. The mature egg cells leaves the ovary through the fallopian tube. Fallopian tube. The fallopian tubes lead the eggs from the ovary to the uterus. This is also the usual site of fertilization of the egg cell and sperm cell. Female humans have 2 fallopian tubes, each connecting to an ovary to the sides of the uterus. Uterus, also called the womb. The uterus is a hollow muscular organ located at the lower abdomen. It has a soft, smooth inner lining called the uterine or endometrium. The lining becomes thicker as it accumulates blood and nutrients to accommodate the unborn baby as it develops. It is also the site where the fertilized egg is implanted. If the egg cell is not fertilized, together with the uterine lining, it will break down and is discharged during menstruation. Cervix. The cervix is located at the lower parts of the uterus. It is a narrow opening between the uterus and the vagina. During childbirth, it expands to allow the passage of the baby. Also called the birth canal. The vagina is a hollow, muscular tube that extends from the cervix to the vaginal opening called vulva. It expands to let the baby pass during normal delivery. Match the functions in column A to its respective parts in column B. Write your answer on your notebook. Column A. Number 1. A tube that leads the egg cell from the ovary to the uterus. Number 2. A hollow muscular tube that leads to the vulva. Number 3. A narrow opening between the uterus and vagina. Number 4. Releases the egg cells and hormones like estrogen and progesterone. Number 5. Shaped like upside-down pear. It is where the fertilized egg cell develops into a fetus. Column B. A. Cervix. B. Endometrium. C. Ovary. D. Fallopian tube of oviduct. Letter E. Uterus. And F. Vagina. Multiple choice. Write your answer on your notebook. Number 1. Where does fertilization occur? A. Cervix. B. Uterus. C. Fallopian tube. D. Vagina. Number 2. What part of the female reproductive system releases the egg cell? A. Cervix, B. Oviduct, C. Ovary, D. Vagina. Number 3. Where does a baby or fetus grow and develop inside the mother? A. Fallopian tube, B. Stomach, C. Ovary, D. Uterus. Number 4. Which of the following organs is also known as the birth canal? A. Cervix, B. Uterus, C. Fallopian tube, and D. Vagina. Number 5. What is the only organ that is capable of carrying the baby for 9 months? A. Cervix, B. Ovary, C. Fallopian tube, D. Uterus. Thank you, kids, and have a good day. I am Teacher Lani.